Good morning children. Did you complete yesterday's work? Okay. Today let us continue with exercise 3 second problem. Let's read the question. The dimensions of a cuboid are 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 2 centimeters. Draw 3 different isometric sketches of this cuboid. Of the cuboid you have to draw. When I was explaining how to draw oblique sketch and isometric sketches, I told you when measurements are given, it is usually in the order of length into breadth into height. Length, breadth and height. So now let us write a table, prepare a table and write the measurements. So for the first one it is 5, 3, 2. For the next one 5 goes last. So it is 3, 2, 5. Then 3 goes last, 2, 5, 3. You have to draw the isometric sketches. Use your isometric dot paper to make the actual drawing. So here 5 is the length. So you know that usually in oblique sketch for length we draw a horizontal line. But in the case of an isometric sketch we will not have horizontal lines, but we are going to have angles, lines at an angle. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots are joined. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, 3 is the breadth. So let's go down 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then this, if it is joined, this is the measurement. The height is 2. So either you can go down or you can go up. So in this case I am going down. So here it is 2. This is 2, this is 2 and this is 2. If you join this, it's going to be 3 dots which are joined, and here it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let us draw this. So just now you have seen that we have taken the length as 5, the breadth as 2 and the height as 1. Now the other two figures are, you have to take the length as 3, breadth as 2 and height as 2, and breadth 3. You have to draw one more figure. Okay, draw that children, complete that. Okay children, let us do the third problem. 3 cubes each with 2 centimeters edge are placed side by side to form a cuboid. Draw an oblique or isometric sketch of this cuboid. This is the question given. So first of all, this is a graph paper or a squared sheet which is used to draw an oblique sketch. So let us draw an oblique sketch on the graph sheet. So you are able to understand that there are 2 centimeters edge. Okay, so that means each cube is of 2 centimeters, and how many cubes are kept? 3 cubes are kept side by side. So here let us draw. So here I am making thicker. It is 2 centimeters edge cube. So that means 2 by 2 it is going to be. Because all 3 cubes are taken, means all sides are equal. This is the second cube. This is the third cube. Okay. This is the first cube which is having 2 centimeters. This is 2 and this is 2. This is the second cube, 2 by 2. This is the third cube. Understood this? This is the oblique sketch that we have drawn. Let us see how to draw an isometric sketch. So here you can see that you are joining 2 by 2. Here it is 2 dots are joined here, 2 dots here, 2 dots here, and all the sides 2 dots if you have joined. This is the cuboid that you have got. Understood this children? Draw on the isometric sheet. So now let us do the fourth problem. Make an oblique sketch for each of the given isometric shapes. So here an isometric sketch is given and you have to draw an oblique sketch on the graph paper. So this is my square sheet or a graph paper, and now we are going to draw the sketch. So here you can see that you have to count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let us join 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so from here to here 6 are there. Next 1, 2, this is 1, 2. So let's join 2. This is 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here 4 you got. Next after that you know that there is only one that you have to draw. Here 2 are there in the sketch. So draw a line like this for 2. Okay, then down you know that there are 2. So these are 2 and this is 4. Understood this? So what is the difference between isometric and oblique sketch? For oblique sketch the measurements are not proportional. This you remember, no? So here the measurements are properly taken, whereas here we are not going to take the proper measurements. The height is going to be reduced. So here you can see that the height is 2. But what we are going to do is we are going to take only one. Only for one box we are going to write and join all this, but we are going to write the measurements so that it is going to be the proper figure. Okay, so here the measure is 6, here the measure is 2, here the measure is 2, and here this part the measure is 4, but here the measure is 2, here the measure is 2, and towards the end the measure is 2. Okay, actually 2 dots we are using, but when we are drawing the oblique sketch we are going to join only one square, diagonal line for one square and draw like this. Understood this? Copy in your classwork books, children, on the graph paper, then paste that graph paper in your classwork book. Do this, children. So this is the actual figure that you are going to get. First you have to draw on the isometric dot paper and then on the graph paper the solution will be drawn. Do that, children. Now let us do the second one. This is the figure which is given. Let us count and draw the oblique sketch. So for the oblique sketch, when you have counted this base, we are having 6. So let us join 6. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 we have joined. And here you know that it is 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, and this is going to be 6 and this is going to be 4. Okay, join like this. This is 6, 6, 4 and 4. Now let us draw the height. So here you can see that this part it is 4. So let us draw a diagonal line for 2. 2 boxes we are drawing the diagonal line. Now we are going to draw this side 1, 2, 3. So for 3 we are going to draw the diagonal line, and here 1, 2. Center we are going to draw the so this is going to be the center line, and this you are going to join. So here 4 we have taken, then 2, 4 and write the proper measurements. Now look at the actual oblique sketch. This is the way you have to draw the oblique sketch. To this side you have 4 and to this side you have 6. Opposite sides 4 here and then This part is 4, this measure is 2 and this is 6. Understood, children? Draw this in your classwork books. So here in the third bit you can see that all the sides the measure is 3. 3 dots are being joined. That means it's a cube. Now let us draw a cube on the graph sheet. So here we can count 3. This is 3. Count 3. Count 3. Use your scale and draw a line. Now draw a diagonal line. So if you join this part, you know that this measure is 3, this measure is 3, this measure is 3. This part, the diagonal height is 3 and then the breadth is also 3. Understood this, children? Draw in your graph paper. So first of all you have to draw the isometric dot paper, the figure question which is given, and then draw the actual figure on the graph paper like this. Understood this, children? Let us do the next bit. So the third bit you can see the isometric dot figure is given, and according to that if you draw, this is the figure that you are going to get. Okay? So see this, children? So 3 boxes here and then 7 boxes down, and then diagonally we have drawn 1 box, and you are going to write the measurements. Measurements you write, children. Understood this? Fifth problem is left, and in the next class we are going to learn how to draw the fifth problem, where you have to draw the oblique and isometric sketches for each of the bits. See you in the next class, children. Have a great day.